What are the average trustee fees for managing retirement accounts? Have you ever wondered how much it costs to have a trustee manage your retirement accounts? It's a great question, especially if you are considering estate planning and trust funding. Let's break down the average fees so you can make informed decisions. Trustee fees can vary widely based on several factors. These include the type of trustee, the size of the retirement account, and the complexity of the management required. Generally, there are three main ways trustees charge for their services: as a percentage of assets under management, hourly rates, or fixed fees. When it comes to the percentage of assets under management, corporate trustees or trust companies usually charge an annual fee based on a percentage of the total assets in the retirement account. This fee typically ranges from about 0.5% to 2% per year. For larger accounts, a tiered percentage is common. For example, a trustee might charge 1% on the first $1 million, 0.75% on the next for $1 million, and 0.5% on any assets above $5 million. If you have a retirement account worth $2 million, you might expect to pay around $10,000 to $20,000 annually at a rate of 0.5% to 1%. For smaller accounts, the fees can be higher as trustees may impose minimum annual fees to cover administrative costs. This means that if your account is smaller, the percentage fee might not be as favorable. Another way trustees charge is through hourly rates. Professional trustees, such as attorneys or certified public accountants, often charge between $100 to $450 per hour, depending on their qualifications and where they are located. If a family member or friend is acting as a trustee, they might charge a lower hourly rate, usually between $100 to $250 per hour. Hourly billing is more common for smaller or simpler retirement accounts, or when the trustee's duties are not extensive. Some trustees may also accept fixed fees, especially if they are non-professionals or family members. These fixed fees typically range from $500 to $2,000 per year for straightforward trusts or retirement accounts that requiring minimal management. Corporate trustees may have minimum annual fees as well, often between $1,500 and $3,000, regardless of the account size. It's important to remember that trustee fees may also include reimbursement for out-of-pocket expenses. This can cover costs like property management fees, insurance, travel, or office supplies related to managing the retirement account. To avoid any misunderstandings, the fee structure should be clearly outlined in the trust document or retirement account agreement. This ensures transparency and fairness for all parties involved. From an estate planning perspective, balancing fair compensation for the trustee's responsibilities with preserving the retirement account's value for beneficiaries is essential. When retirement accounts are held in trust, compliance with tax rules regarding required minimum distributions and beneficiary designations is crucial. These factors can influence the trustee's workload and, consequently, the fees. In summary, average trustee fees for managing retirement accounts can range from 0.5% to 2% of the account value for corporate trustees. Hourly rates can vary from $100 to $450 for professional trustees, while fixed fees often fall between $500 and $3,000 per year. The exact fee will depend on the trustee's role, the complexity of the retirement account, and the agreed-upon compensation method.